Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the basic softwares and the basic settings that you can do to your laptop that has a newly installed operating system. Okay, so this laptop here has a newly installed Windows 10. Okay, and there is no any other software that has been installed so far in this laptop. Okay, other than the default softwares that has come with Windows 10. Alright, and there's no any other settings that has been made to this operating system so far. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you the basic softwares and settings that you can do to your new operating system after you have installed that operating system. Okay, and the video on how to install a new operating system has already been made. The video link will be provided in the description part. So guys, suppose you have not watched it, kindly watch it and know how you can install your own operating system without paying for it. Okay, alright, so let's proceed. Okay, guys, before you can install any software to your computer, you must understand first what software do you need. Okay, if you want browsing, you must install a browser. If you want to open Word document, you must install a software that will enable you to open that Word document. Even if you want to open PDF document, you must install that software that will enable you to open that PDF document. Okay, if you are a video guy, you must install that software that will enable you to play music or videos in your computer. Okay, so let's start from the very basic, from the video. For the case of video and music, guys, I always recommend VLC. Okay, so let me just go to the folder where my softwares are so that I can show you all the basic software that you can install to your new installed operating system. So I'll go to Windows Solution, Setup ISO x64. Okay, guys, I said for the case of music and videos, I recommend VLC, and VLC is here. As you can see, it's .rar. And guys, before you can install any software, this software normally comes as a compressed file, so you should extract them first in order for you to proceed. So the first installation that we are going to make is to install WinRAR. WinRAR will be used to extract files that are compressed. Okay, as you can see, all these softwares, all of them are compressed. Okay, and for you to extract them, you must use a software extractor, which is WinRAR. There are other softwares, but I like WinRAR. Okay, so let me just install WinRAR first. The WinRAR application is this one is also .rar, so it's also compressed. The one that is not compressed is here, x86. So this one is not compressed. I'll install this WinRAR, and these softwares you can download them from the site that I told you earlier. Get into PC. It's the best site through which you can download your softwares. So I will install WinRAR first so that we can be able to extract the softwares that we want to install to our PC. No problem. You close this one, and we go back to x64, right? And now, as you can see, these files have changed to, the icon has changed to WinRAR icon, as you can see. So I will go to VLC and install VLC. As you can see, WinRAR has extracted it for us, and now we can install it from this point. Just click and go. And you just click next. Leave it running, and let's go very fast to open another software. So we have finished for the part of watching videos and music. So let's go to the part of browsing. For the part of browsing, guys, I recommend Chrome if you have a RAM of 4 and above, but suppose your RAM is 2 and below, kindly use Opera Mini. Chrome is resource greedy, it takes a lot of RAM. Okay, so suppose you are using a 4 GB RAM and above, just use Chrome. Chrome is very good, but the only disadvantage is that it uses a lot of RAM. It's very resource greedy. Okay, and it can slow down your machine if your RAM is 2 GB and below. So I will click on Chrome because this computer has a RAM of 4. Click on Chrome. So we are done with playing music, playing video, and browsing. So Chrome is installing. We are done with the two softwares for the two functions of browsing and playing music and videos. Okay, so the next part is to open Word document. Remember, you're doing your assignments, you will work on Word document. Okay, you've been sent an assignment which is .docs file. You will use Word application to open it. For the case of Word and other applications such as PowerPoint, I recommend Microsoft Office. And which version? I recommend Microsoft Office 2016 or 2019. But in our case, we are going to install Microsoft Office 2016. Okay, it's here. Okay, Chrome is installing already, VLC is installing. So let's go to the part of opening our documents through which we'll use Microsoft Office. So I'll just click on it. It will come, guys. Okay, here it is. But unfortunately, Windows Defender has considered this .exe file as a threat, so we can't run it. As you can see, I'll try to run it, but it won't. So we must allow it through the Windows Defender's firewall. Okay, so I'll click on, I'll go to threats found. I don't want to power, I don't want to turn off my Windows Defender. That's very dangerous. So the thing that I'll do is just to allow that threat through the Windows Defender. Okay, so this was the threat. Just click on allow on the device and start action. Just click yes, and you come back. So we can freely run this file. Okay, just run it. And here you can choose the architecture. If your computer is x64, you can choose x64, but if it is x86, you can choose x64. Basically means 64 bits, but x86 is 32 bits. So install Office, it will go. So guys, I'll go back and explain other software that we need to install. Remember, we have installed VLC for videos and music. We have installed Chrome for browsing, and we have installed Office for opening files, Word documents, PPT, PowerPoints, Excel, Publisher, and other stuff, you know. So what's remaining basically is to open PDF file. What are we going to use to open a PDF file? I have Adobe Acrobat Reader here. So we're going to install Adobe Acrobat Reader so that we can use, so that we can open PDF files, right? Okay, so let me just click on the Adobe Acrobat. WinRAR will open it. Remember, WinRAR was the first software that we installed, and basically it's used to extract the compressed files. The very first software that you should install in your computer, WinRAR. Okay, Okay guys, we have installed Adobe Acrobat, Chrome, VLC and Microsoft Office. So these are the very basic software that you can install to a newly installed operating system. And now let's go to settings. The first setting that I can show you is how to set the background, the wallpaper. As you can see, the default wallpaper is for Microsoft Windows. Okay, as you can see here. So to do that, you can right click and you will receive this menu here, and then click on the personalize. Right, you click on personalize, then you will receive the setting option. Allow it to load. Now you can choose the wallpaper that you want. Okay, suppose you have a picture inside your computer, you can just come here, browse, then you go to the picture location, okay, and choose it as your wallpaper. Right, okay. So for the second setting that I'll show you guys is how to arrange these icons on the desktop automatically, such that they can have a given order, let's say alphabetical order, or a given priority. Okay, so just like right click again and come to view, okay, and say view, then auto arrange icons. You will see change. They will be arranged in order of their priorities or alphabetical order. Okay, and then again choose small icons. Sometimes you have a lot of icons on your desktop, and if they are big like this one, you know, the desktop might be full, so let's choose small icon. As you can see now, they are very cute. And another setting, guys, that I want to show you is how to set default application. Let's say whenever you are opening any PDF file, it takes Adobe Reader as the default application for opening that file. Right? If you want to open any music or video, it takes VLC as the default application. If you want to browse, it takes Chrome as the default application. So just come to search bar and type default app, and enter. You receive the setting. And for the case of email, let it just be email. Map, let it be maps, let it be map. Then music player, we want to choose as VLC. Just click on that and select VLC. Okay, let it pick up. Alright, for photos, let it be photos. For videos, let it be VLC. Okay, VLC, let it pick up. Okay, now for web browser, you know, by default it's always Microsoft Edge, so we want to change it to Chrome. Good, it's done, guys. And another setting that I might be forgetting, what is it? Oh, the time that your computer will sleep. Okay, the time that your computer will go to sleep mode. It's very, very important. Just sleep, just type sleep, power and sleep. Okay, these are the basic settings that you can go to, that you can involve in your computer. Power and sleep. Screen will turn off after 5 minutes. That's okay, but when it's plugged in, it should turn off for 10 minutes. I think that's okay, but if you see it's a bit you know, not satisfying your need, you can change it. Right? Okay, so guys, I think that's all about this video, and let's see you again in the next tutorial. Please subscribe. Bye.